Good morning, student. Myself, S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Jnana Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to see some examples which are depends on the statistic. See the example. Observe the following graph and answer the question. Now in this graph, saving in rupees for each 1 centimeter is 200, and see the saving in April and saving in March. So the shaded portion is the saving in April and non-shaded portion, blank portion is the saving in March. This above top is the saving in March and this below shaded is the saving in April. Now these are the women: Savita, Saroj, Varsha, Megha and Vaishali. Now see the question. State the types of the graph, means which type of this graph is. So the हा ग्राफ कोणत्या प्रकारचा आहे हे आपल्याला इथे सांगायचं आहे. म्हणजे याला आपण विभाजित स्तंभालेख म्हणतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड द सबडिवाइडेड bar diagram. Then how much is the saving of Vaishali in month of April? See the Vaishali in month April means shaded portion. How much is the saving of Vaishali in month April? See the 600 rupees means Vaishali in April his saving is 600 rupees. Now see the third question. How much is the total of saving of Saroj in the month March and April? See the Saroj. Now this is the Saroj. The how much is the total saving in the month मार्च अँड एप्रिल. तर दोन्ही महिन्यामध्ये या सरोजचं किती बचत आहे तर 800 रुपये. द टोटल सेविंग इन मार्च अँड एप्रिल इज 800 rupees. हाऊ मच मोर इज द टोटल सेविंग ऑफ सविता than the total saving of Megha. See the Megha and Savita. Now this is the Megha and this is the Savita. How much more is the total saving of Savita than the total saving of Megha? The Megha saving is, see the 400 and above 400 means 500, we can say that. Megha total saving is 500 and Savita's total saving is 1000. So the difference between 1000 and the 500 means there is a 500 difference. So the how much more means 500 rupees is a more saving of the Savita than Megha, whose saving in the month of April is the least. See the below shaded portion, whose saving is least. म्हणजे कमीत कमी कोणाचं आहे या ठिकाणी तर या ठिकाणी मेघाचं. नाव द Megha is having a least saving in April month. See the answer. The given graph is the subdivided bar graph. Saving of Vaishali in the month of April is 600. Then total saving of Saroj in the month of March and April is 800. Then the total saving by Savita is rupees 1000 and the Megha is 500. So the difference is 500 between this Megha and Savita. The saving of Megha is the least in the month of April. Then we can see the again one example. Observe the following graph and answer the question. See, in this graph, the for on y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 10%. Now the shaded portion is the tur and non-shaded portion is the gram, that is the we call that harbara. Now the question is like that. See, there are the 4 farmers: Ajit, Yash, Ravi and Sudha. These are the farmers. State the types of the bar graph. Now in this bar graph the percentage is using, so we say that the given bar graph is a percentage bar graph. So answer of this first question is the percentage bar graph. How much percent is the tur production to the total production in Ajit's farm? See, the Ajit's farm total production is 100%, but in this 100%, how much percent tur production? So shaded portion, that is the 60%. So answer of this second question is 60%. Compare the production of a gram in the farms of Yash and Ravi and state the whose percentage of production is more and by how much. See, the production of a gram, Ravi and Yash. This is the Ravi and Yash. This above portion is the percentage of the gram. Here the percentage of gram is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Means the percentage of Yash farms grams is 50%, and here is only 30%. In the Ravi's farm is 30%. The difference of this 50 and 30 is the 20. So the production of a gram in a farm of Yash is more than Ravi is a 20%, whose percentage production of tur is the least. See, in this tur production whose percentage is least, कमीत कमी म्हणजे 40. म्हणजे in Sudha there a less percentage of production, tur production is less in the Sudha's farm. State production percentage of tur and grams in the Sudha's. Say the tur production in percentage 40 and remaining is the grams production, that is the 60. Means tur production is 40% and the gram production is 60%. See the answer. It is the percentage bar graph. The tur production is 60° for the second question. Gram production of Yash farm 50%, Ravi farm is 30%, and difference between these two is 20%. The percentage production of tur is least in Sudha's farm. See the least production of the tur. The percentage production of tur in Sudha's is 40 and the percentage production of grams above is 60. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. In this way we can write down the answer of the given question, which is depends on the graph. Good day, goodbye, okay.